In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix hands in Leonardo AI. This software offers a powerful suite for creative editing, especially when dealing with intricate details like hands, which often pose a challenge in digital imaging. Let's dive straight into the process, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be confident in enhancing your images with ease. First, you'll need to visit Leonardo AI and log into your account. If you're new, create an account. It's a straightforward process that will let you access all the fantastic tools Leonardo offers. Once you're in, navigate through your library to find the specific image you want to edit. If you haven't uploaded your image yet, simply click on the upload option and select the image containing the hands you wish to enhance or fix. With the image open, click directly on it. This will reveal several options, but you'll want to select Edit. This action unlocks the editing tools necessary for the task at hand. Within the edit settings, you'll find various brushes and tools. Your aim here is to use the masking brush tool. Carefully paint over the hands you wish to adjust. The masking brush defines the area you want Leonardo AI to focus on, giving it clear instructions to optimize the hands without affecting the rest of the image. Now, it's time to write a precise prompt. Think of this as feeding instructions to the AI. Being specific in your prompt will ensure that the tool understands your intent clearly. You could specify details such as correct hand posture, realistic finger alignment, or any particular aspect you want the AI to focus on. Once your prompt is ready, take a moment to adjust the generation settings. These settings allow you to control the intensity of changes and other parameters to achieve the desired results. Familiarize yourself with these settings, as they can significantly impact the outcome. Perhaps experiment to find your perfect balance. With all your settings finely tuned, click on Generate or Apply. Leonardo AI will then work its magic, implementing your specified changes. This stage might take a little while, depending on the complexity of edits and the image's size. Once complete, you'll see the newly generated image with enhanced hand features. Review the changes carefully. If there are aspects you're still not satisfied with, don't hesitate to refine further. Go back into the settings, adjust your prompt or tweak the mask, and apply the changes again. This flexibility is one of the strengths of Leonardo AI. Finally, once you're happy with the image, download your final masterpiece. Saving the edited image to your device allows you to use or share it as needed. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you utilize Leonardo AI, the more proficient you'll become at refining intricate details like hand corrections. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to fix hands using Leonardo AI, bringing your images to life with precision and